स्कूल में मैम होमवर्क देती थी, वी यूज्ड टू स्टडी एवरी डे बिकॉज वी यूज्ड टू गेट अ होमवर्क and there should be a test along with the homework once you come back to the class. So because in college there is no test, nothing like this, so we get used to enjoying our life. So with these videos we are going back to the school days environment where there will be a weekly homework, weekly targets, and if you can follow those targets, trust me, you can score good marks. Same office में वापस जाके the boss will give you targets. The moment you have targets, your life will revolve around achieving those targets. So same way I'm introducing weekly targets, weekly topics, so that if you can cover these weekly targets, no one can stop you from completing the syllabus. So what I've done, I've divided your full preparation into phases. So the target to complete the basics is for all the exams in short. For example, you're giving CAT, SNAP, NMAT, CET, जो भी exam दे रहे हो, the basic remain common. Then the importance will keep on changing, but you have to do everything. For example, line graph is not going to come in the CAT exam, which we are going to do this week. But line graph is required for the other exams. CAT के immediately पहले will be your नार्सी मॉन्जे के exam, NMAT के exam. CAT के immediately बाद will be symbolics, IFT exam, and line graph is going to come in every exam. So we have to focus on those topics as well. ठीक है. So this homework is common for all the exams. चाहे आप CAT दे रहे हो, चाहे आप CET दे रहे हो. Okay. So I've divided your CAT preparation into 6 phases here. So every phase is going to last for 15 days. Suppose you're starting your CAT preparation from today. In next 3 months, your complete preparation will be over. That's the best part of dividing the things into phase, 6 phase. In this video, we're going to talk about the orange phase because next 1 week I wanted to focus on numbers because numbers is one of the most important chapters of your examinations. In this video, we're going to talk about the orange phase. Orange phase is more about numbers. You can expect 3 to 4 questions out of numbers itself. So square and 4 is just the basic so that you know the square, cube, what is all about. Fine. Main topic today is LCM HCF numbers. Fine. Together these questions will be around 2 to 3 questions in the CAT exam for sure, and APGP series, which is 1 question in every exam. So I'll count APGP as one of the topics which is normally ignored by everybody. So numbers पे focus नहीं करना चलेगा, लेकिन APGP पक्का करना ही करना है आपको. कुछ नहीं यार, APGP nothing but the formula. 4 formula AP का, 4 formula GP का. That's all. So these 8 formulas will be 1 mark in every exam. And the typical fixed question which is coming every year in the exams, if you do go through this topic, it's more than sufficient for you to crack it. So 4 questions here from numbers, including APGP series and line graph. So if you can cover up these topics, this can cover up most of the stuff you have to do for this week. Alright. Same and CET as well, 2 to 3 questions on numbers, LCM HCF, and 5 question on line graph in the CET exam. Fine. Alright, so once you go through a test, once you go through E-class, if you're CETing student, go through the test of this topic. This is very important to give the test. For example, in your login ID, introduction to numbers, there's 1 test, number theory, number theory 1, number theory 2, LCM HCF. There are 4 tests available on numbers. आप एक दे दो, ठीक है. So weekly, if you can do these topics and एक उसका test देते जाओ. For example, number theory, LCM HCF, and APGP. If you can cover up these topics, that will be the best thing you can do. और हफ्ते खत्म करते जाओ. Don't do 4, 5 tests. Give 1 test at least. For example, I've given the example here. Time and work, there are 4 tests. ठीक है. So obviously I don't need to give all 4 tests. Around 30 questions, 20 to 30 questions per test, 25, 30 average. So अगर आप एक test भी देते जाओगे weekly, is more than sufficient. Fine, because giving the test is more important on the weekly topic wise. Alright, if you're non-CETing student, you can join us by calling us on these numbers. You can click on the box in case you want to buy it online, buy the product online, or click on the circle to subscribe to the channel because I'm going to upload weekly homework like this so that you are taken care of, so that I can take care of your preparation. Alright, all the best. Thank you.